Hello, good evening.
My name is Inka.
Okay, Minka, my name is teacher Catherine. How old are you?
I am 20,
12.
22.
12 years old.
Yeah.
Okay. How are you today?
I am happy.
Yeah. So, what's your hobby, Cam? What do you do when you're free? In your free time, what do you do? You say, I usually.
I usually play football.
Mm,
Mm,
in your free time.
yes.
Okay. Now, how about the school where you are in? Which school are you in? The name of your school?
Is
I'm in
I'm in Funke Secondary.
secondary school.
Yes.
Ah, okay. And what's your favorite subject in
Mm,
school?
I
I like
I like history.
history.
Yes.
Ah, okay. Now look at these things here. Tell me what it is. Okay. Number one, it's a
It's a square.
scarf.
Skull.
Two,
It's an
ah, it's a
it's a helmet.
helmet. What are these? They are
They are
gloves.
gloves.
What's this?
It's
It's
it's a rubber.
no, not a rubber.
Rubber.
Not a rubber. Rubber is here.
It's,
Pencil sharpener.
it's a pencil sharpener.
And
It's a rubber.
okay. Now look at the pictures of these two. Okay, you have to describe each of them. The girl. Can you describe her?
Mm,
She is
she is
tall or short?
she is
She is tall or short?
she is tall.
How about her hair? She has
She has um she
long hair or short hair?
is a long hair.
Black or brown?
Um,
Black hair or brown hair?
black.
Oh, so you say she has
She has
long
long hair.
black
Black
hair.
hair.
Long black hair.
She has long black hair.
And her skin. What's the color of her skin?
It's white. It's
Skin. Like
it's
her skin is it white or brown? She has
she has brown skin.
she has
She has
brown
brown
skin. And the color of her eyes. She has
black eye.
I think it's blue. Okay, how about this guy? Describe him. Tall or short?
Short.
He is
Short hair.
no, I mean height. Is he tall or short?
She is
He is
short.
and he has
He has short hair. Short hair.
brown
Short. He has
short brown hair.
She has short brown hair.
He
He
has
has
short
short
brown hair.
brown hair.
Is he fat or thin? He is
He is
fat or thin?
fat.
Fat. He's fat. Okay. Now here, make sentences using these, that, these, and those. Okay. So you say number one.
This
This is
has.
two.
That is
No, not that. That is still Close.
This is
Digital camera.
digital camera.
3.
They
These are
These are balls.
balls. Okay, how about this number 5?
That
Those are
those
those are those are
Snickers.
Snickers. Number 6. Those are
Gloves.
7.
That is skateboard.
Skateboard. 8.
That is bicycle.
That's it. Now down to the last part, a role play. I am the customer, you are the store clerk. Okay? Okay. You start. What can I do for you? Hi. You say hi.
Hi.
What can I do?
What can I do for you?
Oh, hello. I want to buy gifts. Do you have teddy bear? Do you have teddy bear?
How about
Oh, you say first, yes, I have teddy bear.
how about teddy bear?
Okay. How much is the teddy bear?
How much teddy bear?
No, I'm asking you. How much?
How much?
No, me. I'm the customer. How much is the teddy bear? You say $7
$7
for one teddy bear.
real.
Okay. So $7? Okay, I'll get one teddy bear. Here it is. You say thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, bye Kang. That's it.